If you keep skipping your skincare routine and you keep telling yourself that you're lazy, stop. You're not lazy. It's just that your skincare routine is asking too much from your nervous system. And today I want to show you why that matters more than any product that you actually use. I see this all the time in my studio and with my clients. Women come in with 12, 15 steps of products, full routine on paper, and they haven't touched it. They don't touch it, they just leave it all together for weeks. And they feel so much guilt around it. They think something is wrong with them. But that's what actually is happening. Your body responds not only to what you put on it, but to the pressure that you put on it while applying your skincare. And if the routine has too many steps, too many rules, too many you should do that and not do that, and your system is just going all over the place, and it needs more structure and chill. Not consciously, but on a psychological level, it starts to feel like another obligation, another chore, another mission, another place where you are not doing enough, where you're not enough, where you are lazy. And your nervous system does what it's built to do. It pulls you away from this source of stress. It says, if this is stressing me and makes me feel so bad, I'm just gonna avoid it and go away from it. So this is not laziness. It's actually your body protecting you. How weird that it may sound. So why we keep these heavier routines? Because the skincare industry tells us we have to do more and more and more actives, more steps, more results. But your skin and your nervous system operate very differently. When you layer product after product under stress, your skin barrier isn't even start to observe what you apply and start to work with you. Your barrier is not failing, it's just overwhelmed. If you do it with pleasure and joy, it will cause completely different result. But if you don't, again, it's not your fault. You might be overwhelming your system. The women who are most, or the people who are most consistent with their skincare, the one that has genuinely healthy skin over years, are not the one that doing the most. Not necessarily, maybe, but not necessarily the one who has million steps, but the one who have created something simple, something supportive and easy to return to. Even on, on a day that everything went wrong, they know they can come back to their time of themselves, to their routine, and applying it. It's like an anchor of calming down. When something in the body or a somatic routine actually feels like something you enjoy, you will anchor it in your body, in your system, in your routine. So if you're choosing minimalistic skincare routine, it doesn't mean that you're doing less for your skin if you are consistent with that. It means removing the resistance from yourself and actually doing it. So, it's the difference between forcing yourself to do it, and your body is resisting and you hate it and you hate every moment, to actually looking forward to it. And this is why I formulated routines around 3 core steps. A cleanser to clean the day away, clean your skin. A serum or moisturizer to nourish and moisturize your skin, and during the day, of course, sun protection. This is like the basic. These are the 3 minimalistic skincare routine that will take you a long way. If you want to add an essence toner, the flower essence toner, for example, to hydrate after you clean, That's amazing. If you want to add hydrating serum after this essence toner, amazing. But again, you want to keep asking yourself and check in with yourself. Is it something I can follow, or am I just overwhelming myself because something I saw online? So instead of asking yourself, what more should I add? You want to ask, if you are overwhelmed and resistant, what can I remove? Look at your routine right now. Which steps feel too heavy? Which one create a moment of, oh, I have to do that again? These are the ones that your nervous system is resisting. Strip it back. Give yourself a permission to take a step back, to use only 3 steps instead of keep pushing and rushing. Again, maybe fewer products, maybe slow down when you apply your skincare, maybe just one moment of actually connecting to the few steps you take instead of doing million steps that you feel disconnected from yourself. So I want to say it very clearly, you are not lazy. Your routine just hasn't been working for you, maybe. And the moment you simplify, the moment you make it something that you actually enjoy and your body has this signal, I love doing it, I want to return to it every evening or every morning, your skin will start showing different results. Because consistently, even in these 3 gentle steps, will always outperform the too many products, consistently, that you use once every full moon. So if you feel like your skin and your routine need a reset from this mess and chaos and guilt to something that actually support your skin barrier and give your skin what it needs, I'm here to help you and support and help you minimize your routine to a level of a routine that your body will not resist. You're very welcome to come over to Amsterdam or Amstelveen. Give yourself this nervous system reset, boosting facial, and allow me to support your journey, again, in a way that you will love and your body will love. If you like this content, if it resonates with you, consider subscribing and leave a comment below. Tell me, how do you feel about your routine? Do you like it? Are you overwhelmed? Do you even do it? What's your favorite steps? And comment below, and I'll see you next time.